In this video, I'm going to show you how to put ask me a question on Instagram story. And if you love your followers to ask you questions on Instagram, I'm going to show you what you need to do. Open your Instagram now, click on your story, click on this, click on create. If you click on create now, you're going to see this small smiley emoji at the top. Click on it. You are going to see questions. Click on it. Right now, you can type in something here, right? And you can, and your viewers can reply to this. So I can just type in what's your favorite meal, right? So this is it. So you can click on this down. So if you click on this now, if your followers see this, they're gonna be able to reply you with a comment. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'm gonna see you in the next video.